What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. Well, guess what? It is one of my favorite days again. Yes, that's right. It is time for Upgrade Your Noodles. So, listen, what are we doing today? We are making a tofu coconut noodle soup. It is going to be awesome, delicious, thick and warm and awesome. I already said awesome. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do first is actually add some ginger. Now, I didn't tell you that, but there is ginger in here right now, so I've let the water boil, so it is now totally infused with that ginger vibe. And so, now that it's boiling, we're gonna add the chicken broth, as well as the parsley to the mix. And let it continue to boil for a little bit more. Get all those flavors mixing up, doing that thing. And then we're gonna add in the zucchini. So obviously, because the zucchini is a little harder, we wanna give it a couple of minutes more than the tofu, just to soak up the different flavors. And then we'll be back. We're done. I upgraded it. It smells so good. You gotta give this a try. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Definitely. So listen, because I am so distracted here, let me finish quickly by saying, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos. I am going to eat this. You go make yours, and I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness.